So we were just relaxing here at the headquarters, and we heard those growls, and then call tappings, and then the coyotes. And we invite you, our viewers and our followers and listeners, to tell us if you heard anything with some of your equipment. We went out onto the back porch to try to get some better sounds and recordings. We call tapped, and we heard a harumph. We speculated about increased human noises due to the holidays, and it really disturbs them, especially at the end of the summer here. There's a tremendous amount of forage base. Hey, let us know if you heard anything. We're going to follow up on this, and we'll see you out there. Okay. What I'm hearing is call taps. From this side of the farm, there's horses over there. Back here, there's cows and then pigs. Over here is what I'm hearing call tap from this side, and then this side. And it's September 4th, 2021. It's about, that's a car. It's about 10:30 at night. That is definitely you. Hopefully we caught that. Did you hear that, camera person? Camera person was the one that said there's something going on there. That's a car. But call tap that side. Call tap that side. Call tap that side. And it was only one on each side. What I'm gonna go do is go do a call tap. Now that dog is on the horse farm over there. We're not going to name the horse farm, but it's on Ivy Mountain. That dog barks when there's crazy stuff going on. He does not like the cryptids. Man, there's some weird noises back there. Let's go out back. I'll do a call tap. We're here on Ivy Mountain. It's September 4th. It's 10:38. It's about 70 degrees. We had, like we captured before, we didn't get good audio, but we're outside getting ready to get some good audio. We heard call tap 1, 1, 1, 1. So that back there is separated by a river. On the other side is separated by this road and farmland. And we're going to sit and wait and listen and hopefully not say anything when we get some audio. There's some very strange sounds coming from Ivy Mountain tonight, and we'll see you out there. We're going to do a call tap. There's a lot of strange sounds out there tonight. That was a good one. There's a car coming. I'll try 2 call taps now. I'm guessing we're going to hear them later tonight. what I theorize is that they move through this back area and they drive deer down towards the road, and the deer know not to go down near 202, and they start to come back. I could have swore on that back ridge there's a trail. There it is. Something's watching us, looking back at us, moving through those woods, very tall. And when it looks back, it's catching the light from your camera. There are no fireflies right now. I saw it twice. They move through here. They drive the deer back. The deer go so far until they get funneled in like a triangle. Roads sort of pin them in. And I theorize they come running back. And when they come running back, they get them. An upright predator takes what they want, and the coyotes then follow behind and get what they want, and they work together. And that's a sign of intelligence, synergy, symbiosis. Coyotes benefiting from an apex predator, upright hominid, or something. They take what they want, you get what you want, and then afterwards, the bones become very important to porcupines and raccoons and skunks and stuff will eat the bones for calcium. Yes. It's creepy back there tonight, even with the cars driving by. It's Memorial Day weekend, so everybody's trying to celebrate the end of summer. Personally, I can't wait till next week when all you tourists have gone home and I get my parks back. It's too quiet. It was noisy when we started recording, but I was fumbling around and I messed up the whole recording, but if I had to guess, if they went down to 202 in Litchfield and there weren't enough deer, they would then move forward into the White Memorial. Because there's no hunting there. It's the largest wildlife sanctuary in Connecticut. This becomes that, and then you get all the state parks, and then you get into New York, and if you want to head, I mean, the forest is vast here. So we're going to stay out here, and if we catch anything, we'll record it and share it with you out there at CCIS and ACIS. But it's pretty much a wrap here tonight. I believe, if you go back to some of our earlier footage, they move through this Ivy Mountain area. They chase deer, they hunt them. So that's a CCIS original, that they work together with coyotes and other predators. And these poor deer. But we'll see you out there. We're going to stay out here and listen some more, hopefully catch some more stuff. But if we don't, we'll see you on our next investigation when we get out there. We just heard a very large, we heard one earlier. Call taps. There they are. I'm gonna try a hum. that? I thought it was a car. It was like this. I'm gonna make the noise, okay? The only thing I can think to describe that is a combination of a Tibetan voice, a throat singing monk there with a frog, because it was kind of like this. And there is definite. I don't know if we've captured it, but there was definite call tapping going on. You know, all the birds are dying. We don't have any birds anymore. We have this whole disease with the birds. There's a jet. But it's squatchy out there tonight. We'll stay, we're going to stay here and record. We hope you could hear some of this stuff. We do not post blurry photos or doctored audio or any of that stuff. What you see is what we see. So here we are at Ivy Mountain, CCIS and ACIS headquarters, and we're getting a lot of unusual sounds. Now, we've noticed that on the holidays that make a lot of noise, 4th of July, Labor Day, and Memorial Day, our cryptids back there and our coyotes and our deer, they get very restless, and that leads to a lot of activity. We're going to look into some of the moon phases, but there's a lot of forage bays, and they don't like the increased noises. The Goshen Fair's going on right up the street from here, and there's just a lot of noise, and it's really stirring things up, and you get a lot of activity. It's not good activity. This is not a good time to be out in the backwoods just walking around. We'll see you out there.